Well, welcome to Wild Goose Adventures. Today we're going to head back out to one of my favourite islands. My story on Lady Musgrave Island has been one of the most popular stories that I've done. I thought today, rather than go by Wild Goose, I'd jump on from 1770 here. 1770, it's about 120 k's north of Bundaberg. It's a beautiful drive, a beautiful spot to spend the weekend. It has a marina here. You just step onto the boat and they'll take you out. Sheet on and enjoy the adventure. Before we head off, I wanted to check out another of the Marina institutions. With the security of the pontoons and the rock wall close by, it doesn't take much to have the large brim and a whole range of fish of all shapes and sizes swarming around. Just pick up a little bit of food from the cafe or take a bit of bread, go down to the marina and enjoy the show. And soon enough it was time to jump on board, and after a welcome and a quick briefing we were on our way. The 35 nautical miles normally takes around 2 hours, and as a suggestion, avoid milky products prior to leaving. Just take some nausea medication and don't be glued to your phone. I'm back from my swim. The bulk of people have gone for a walk on the beach to stretch their legs and to check out all the birds. But you can see that in my episode of Lady Musgrave Island. I'll share the link to that. It's time for us, when they get back, to head back to 1770. Got boats coming in.
Yeah, well, we're going to start getting everybody back now, so...
Mark's been a bit of a legend today. So.
Dave's a bit of a legend.
Only the way I can land a drone on another boat. Here we are back at 1770 after an awesome day. Top it off, we've got this beautiful sunset going on. It has been a pleasure to be out here. If you're passing through 1770, if you want to go to Lady Musgrave Island, I couldn't recommend enough. I always love Lady Musgrave anyway, but this was a great way to get out there. They looked after us. That's it for Wild Goose Adventures for this episode. If you've liked the show, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Please like it, it'd be great. I'd certainly appreciate it. And until next time, smooth sailing.